Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have a painting that I worked on recently, day before yesterday in fact, and it's nice and dry now. And what I'm thinking is that I might want to go ahead and do some stuff to it, because I don't know why. I have some areas that I would just like to see improved upon. I really want to play with my gold and see if I can get anything to bloom out of it, but I'm not sure where that should go. I'm not even sure I should be doing this, to tell you the truth. Let's try here. I'm not going to use pillow paint. I am going to use this gold. I guess I'm not going to use that gold because it's not coming out, but I might use this gold because it is. That looks like a lot more 24 karat gold, and I love this color. So I'm going to give myself some of it, and if it works, we'll do some more. And I have cell activator that's black from Golden. It's a fluid. I hope it works. Dog needs to go out of my studio, thank you. And I haven't seen that cell activator work today, which is really strange because it was working the other day. But it could be that it's just the wrong one, because I just ran another bottle and it makes me unsure what that might mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the one that I know does work. And that's the golden magenta that I put some iridescent pearl in. And I've recently discovered, see, check that out. I've recently discovered that the Floetrol works marvelously. I could use most of my own paints, not mixed with the untinted primer. So what am I going to pour that off onto? Anything? I must have something. Maybe maybe an edge catcher. There's usually like a stack of them right here. They're usually stuck to each other, but put that over there. And that's kind of cool. We could definitely do that again. That's really cool, actually. I haven't never had a better bloom than that blob right there. I could just leave that right there right now. Pretty easily. It makes it harder because I don't put GAC 800 in any of these paints, so I don't trust that it won't crack. And they do crack. But that's pretty sharp, and I think I might be really willing to do that again. So what did I start with? Whatever I started with, it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead. Oh, I started with the gold. So I like that. So where else do we want to put another little gold flower? And how small can we get away with? That's the question. Let's use a different color. Sort of. We don't know how small these can be and get away with it still. Oh, that fell in. No, don't fall in, please. Got it. Okay, cell activator. Black and then cell activator. Let's try this other one that's supposed to be cell activator and see what happens before I go on and do the same thing. Yeah, that's not doing it for me either. Well, there's more. There's more than there were. I love that other. Could be worse things. Yeah, so I'm just decorating it with flowers at this point. I want to try the white mica. I think that space is calling me. Trying to remember my progression. Maybe add some slightly different colors. Ooh, that's a lot. It's also very thick, like it won't be useful for very much longer. So I put that black in there. I still didn't use the white. Let's try the white. And then the black. And then the one we know works that I put down right there. Because the canvas is dry, it means I can clean anything up, but I expect to blow on that anyway. That's a lot of cell activator. Let's try the straw. Cool. These are really sharp. I'm liking them. A couple more might do it, and I just got to remember my progression. I like it. It's definitely dimensional. One at a time. I was thinking I could do it here and I could do it there, but I can't. I got to do it. I like that turquoise in there. We'll try it after the magenta. I think if I went and added a little more polyurethane, polycrylic, which is what my mix has in it. These are primary elements, some of them. Some of them are master's minds, some of them are folk art, color shifts. They're all kind of different. What else? What else? I didn't do any of that white. This is going to be the one we try with white. I think there was some white in there. I can see a little bit of it. So the black is key. Even though it doesn't sell until I use the other cell activator, it's still key. And I don't think more is hurting me on that cell activator. Let it come back in like I'm supposed to, I think. Not ever sure of that. I don't know how often people have just used these to make flowers without tipping, but I guess we're going to find out how it works. Because I can, which is the name, coincidentally, of the first book I wrote about Floetrol's pouring that happens to be under Show More under the video on the Amazon link. First blue link you find there. Hopefully that's going to be offset enough. I haven't noticed how this green went. I actually don't remember using it, to tell you the truth. I used some of this, which doesn't make a whole lot of difference or sense because I'm already using two colors that are similar to that. Got all that gold, and what I want is the black. And then the golden magenta, which could make me happy for the rest of my life, honestly. Pretty cells, really pretty. Makes me want to just keep going. I could tip. I don't think it would be, I don't think it'd be pretty anymore. But you never know. I got some really neat things happening. I don't want to swallow everything that's cool either. The further I spread them in one direction, I don't know. I've never had blooms be quite as good as these, and I left myself no room to tip, no pillow paint to tip onto. I suppose I could use a little tiny card. Whoop, that's not a little tiny card. I think I like them better as sea creatures in a coral bed than I do as flowers, to tell you the truth. So moving them all around isn't hurting my feelings any. And I just scraped off my card back into the picture. It's unusual, but it's my MO anyway. Let's see if there's anything I want to do. Like that. I want something down here. I actually really want to try no paint, but that would be stupid, so I'm going to do something else. I'm going to try my own recipe. Without any gold, which I might be really sorry about. Or it might be fine. Or not. Well, I did want a sort of a different shape down there. And I got it. And that's okay. Do I want one more? I'm kind of liking some things about this. So I'm just going to keep going until I run out of time. Go figure. Let's use... I'm really surprised. The gold is working as a nice pillow base. I'm probably going to tip this that way. I guess we'll see in a minute. Oh, that magenta works like a charm. And because it's handy, I'm very inclined to go ahead and use what I consider cell activator in some other places. I could use gold too, if it would come out. Just add some texture. This is cool. I should not dot until I'm ready to stop tipping though, because my dots will run. Just going to sort of nudge the paint along the edge. Yeah, that reminds me of a reef scene for some reason. And I'm not unhappy with that at all anymore. Of course, it's always nice when it's new and shiny. I'm not a fan of scraping paint off things. So, people will understand when I save what I am not 100% enthusiastic about and then do something with it later. I'm pretty happy with all of that though. Very, very surprised. I didn't think it was going well for a minute there, for sure. I have no rules. I like that I have no rules. It's getting cold out here, so I'm not going to stay too much longer, but I've got all my paint out, so maybe one more painting. So I'm really happy that I went ahead and did all that, to tell you the truth. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for all the wonderful compliments and comments you leave me all the time. Thank you for 85,650 subscribers. Thank you for watching the videos longer. It's the only way that the YouTube algorithm will ever help me maintain. In spite of all my subscribers, I don't have very many people watching me. So when you binge, and I really appreciate that too, it's a big assistance to me. And you can binge if you're interested by going to my channel and finding looking for all playlists and then created playlists. And you will find that there are 10 lists of 100, one list being populated, the 1100, and like 13 genres now with all kinds of cool stuff. And yeah, I'm just dotting away because I can. Hey, the name of my second book is also out now. It's Unlimited Possibilities, and it too is on the Amazon link. And if you shop on that Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate it. So thank you guys to everybody who's been doing that. I so appreciate that. And I didn't hate the painting before, but I really like the painting now. It's like they look like undersea fans or something. And I'm happy I did that, and I'm really happy you guys joined me. If you'd like to join me again, you can find tomorrow's videos on the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, or on my community board on my YouTube channel. And I post them the night before, sometimes other times. I'm trying to post at midnight, and like I said, thank you guys for joining me. And that was a great experiment to find out that you can do blooms like that. It's just crazy. I love you guys. I will see you anon. If you feel like helping me out some more, shop the Teespring below the video. There's all over print t-shirts and leggings, and they're gorgeous. And there's all kinds of other things you can find on Facebook, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes, and more. I'll take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. And if you're looking for the wet and dry artworks from the YouTube videos, the ones that I have edited so far, you can find on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors. I get confused. So I don't know what else I forgot, but I think I got most of it. Oh, there's a drawing every month, and if you donate $10 through PayPal or Patreon, you can find the links on my channel header or underneath the video. You will have a choice of 3 of 15 paintings. And I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Whatever I forgot, you'll see on another video. Thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Please, 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 please. And watch longer. I love you guys. Bye.